Welcome back to my channel again. This one is okay. That's a 60 centimeter dish. That's that time dish. So let me show you very well. That's the LMB. Installation of 42 East done very quickly and fast. How I mount my dish, right? That is 42 East NTA. Okay, like this. The wire move around like this, till it switch. There's a switch. So now that's the dice switch. I'm using 3 LMB for my installation, but the dice switch has 4 points, but I'm using 3 points for it. So 1, 2 and 3. This one goes to the receiver, and this one is 28 Joy TV. That's Joy TV. Let me show you very well. So mind you, some people are saying if your LMB is like this, it's no more working. Oh, that's lie. Anyhow your LMB is, if those 2 ropes inside didn't shake, it will still work for you. Right, that's 28 Joy TV. You can see the cable goes to the dice switch, and this one is 51. That's 51 East. Yes, installation of 51. I'm using high definition decoder for the 51 and all those sats. Let me show you very well. So please, when installing your dish, always put this on. It can protect your LNB from thunder strike. Always put this cover on like this, so that it can protect your LNB from thunder strike. Like this, you can see the cable go round and straight to the dice switch. Yes, that's a switch. That's the dice switch. I'm using 3 satellites. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, share and comment. God bless you.